When I was a kid, I had the most thick, luxurious hair, but over the years, I've abused the heck out of my hair. I've worn extensions, I've bleached it, I've dyed it, I still dye it, but the one thing I didn't account for was for it to get thin. As I've gotten older, I've discovered like lots of little bald spots all over my head, and I get super embarrassed when people stand above me. I feel like they're just looking down at my thinning hair. So when a company by the name of Spoiled Child reached out to me and asked me to review their hair serum for thinning hair, I was like, you know what? I will try anything because I was ready to start wearing wigs. Let's open up this box from Spoiled Child and see what you get. This little container with some cards and some stickers, and these are kind of cute, right? They also gave me a little white scrunchie, and here's the product. Look how fancy it is. And I'm not gonna go through all the ingredients, but if you really wanna know what's inside, pause your screen here. Well, let's open up the container and see what it is. Ooh, so the theme seems to be capsules, and that is because this product is made to be reordered and reusable, so it's good for the earth. You're supposed to shake it up a little bit and then just spray it on your scalp. Oh, I smell it. It has a very strong scent of, I want to say, lavender and rosemary, and it's a very fine mist. Spray it on and rub it into your scalp and leave it. You don't have to dry it. You don't have to do anything after it. And it leaves your hair just a little bit moist, kind of like as if you were standing under a mister, but it's not like super wet. And that's it. That's the process. They do say that you can expect to see results in about a month. So let's take a little before picture of some of my really annoying bald spots. We're going to have to come back and see if there's any difference. So it's been about 30 minutes since I've sprayed the Spoiled Child spray in my hair, and I can definitely feel like it feels thicker, and it feels like it adds a little bit of texture, and it feels more luxurious. That is kind of interesting. Now we just have to see if it works on the hairs on my scalp. We'll find out. Hey everybody, I'm back, and it's been almost a month since I've been using the Spoiled Child Biotin Boost Hair and Scalp Serum, and I have some bad news. About halfway through this process, I accidentally dropped the bottle and my capsule broke. If you thought I was a spoiled child before, you can imagine the type of temper tantrum I threw when this happened. And all the product leaked out in the bottom of the bottle. Fortunately, the glass didn't break, but the capsule itself did, and I am no longer, but the capsule itself did, and I was no longer able to use the spray. I dumped all the remaining contents of this capsule into this bottle, and I've been using it like this. And I pour a little bit in my hand, rub my hands together, and I've been putting it through the front of my hair and the sides of my hair. And then for my little spot areas, I've just been taking a little Q-tip, dipping it in and applying it directly to my problem spots, and then massaging it into my scalp. Obviously, this is not ideal, but I'm committed, and I needed to show you guys how the product is supposed to work over time, right? Now, since I see myself every day, sometimes I have a hard time noticing if a product is working, and a lot of times I like to ask you, my viewers, to look at the before and afters and tell me what you think. So remember those bald spots? I got this bald spot from wearing glue-in extensions years ago. So let's take a look at it now. Is that it? You guys, it is seriously not as big as it was before. Am I imagining things? I'm a little bit surprised. I definitely didn't expect to see this much improvement in such a short amount of time. Let's look at the rest of my hair. This side can still use a little bit of work, but I can already see that it's getting quite a bit thicker. Let's check out the back. So much less noticeable now. I don't even remember exactly where it was. I definitely feel like I'm seeing a little bit of action up there. I'm actually very impressed. So let's talk about the pros and cons of the Biotin Boost Hair and Scalp Serum. Now some of the cons are obviously you need to be really careful with this bottle, you guys. The glass didn't break, but the capsule broke, and not being able to spray it kind of sucked. For me, the scent is a little bit strong. I don't particularly love the smell of rosemary. I would have preferred something with a little bit more of a fresher, cleaner scent, or even unscented would have been fine. It is a little on the pricier side, so I don't know if this is something that I would buy all the time unless I know for sure that it works. They say you'll see full results in about 10 weeks, so that would be roughly 2.5 bottles worth. If you're willing to spend the money and you're willing to make the commitment and use it every day, I would really be interested to see if it works the way they say it does over that course of time. The pros are it sprays in a really light mist. It's very easy to apply if your bottle's not broken. Spray it on your head, massage it in, and go about your day. And it does leave your hair feeling thicker instantly, which is a bonus. You can recycle these bottles. Order a new one, you pop it in your bottle, and you're good to go for another month. In the short amount of time that I used it, I am impressed with the results. They're very, very subtle, but they're there. My bald spot is definitely a little bit less than it was before. Woo! Even if you were deprived as a child, there's no reason why you can't spoil yourself now. If you're interested in trying out this Spoiled Child product, I will put a link in the description below. How do you deal with your thinning hair? Leave me a comment and let me know. And as always, thank you so much for watching.